How to hide repost on TikTok. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily hide all your reposted videos on TikTok. So if you posted someone else's video or you reposted someone else's video and you want to hide it from your TikTok profile so that whoever comes to your TikTok profile page will not have access to all your reposted videos, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide repost on TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. So you could do this on Android and you could do this on iPhone. After that, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you selected that, click on the menu icon at the top right, which is the three horizontal lines. Then tap Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you want to scroll down to Content and Display and click on Notifications. Then under Notifications, scroll down to Interactions. If repost is turned on under Interactions, this is going to make the repost visible for others to see that you reposted the videos. Now, to hide your repost on your TikTok account, just disable this, and then you're good to go. Then you can now exit this page, and all your reposted videos will be hidden from your profile viewers. So that is basically how to hide repost on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.